police are protector of society, but sometimes police can fail to do his duty and become a threat. This starts from misunderstanding of his authority as law enforcer. These causes make the police to act arbitrarily against the criminal, will injure and it will injure someone and even causes casualties. This is what often happens in society, and there are a case was published in news. But what I mentioned is the first point. There are other aspects that lead to the abuse of the police authority, and the second is a system on the police department. We cannot only blame the police for all the events that occur, but the system in the police is also one of the causes of the behavioral change in the police. In order to understand the relationship between system and behavior change, first we must know what a system is. System comes from Latin and Greek language. Is a unit consisting of components or elements that are connected together to facilitate the flow of information, material, or energy to achieve a goal. From here, we know the system in the police is to facilitate and expand the proportion of information so that the duties as an obligation of the police in maintaining and serving the community are not disturbed. But if the system in trouble, this will indirectly interfere with the performance of the police. And then the third is the penalty who was revised by the police. This point is important to note. If we look at the case that often occur, violation often occur in areas where our penalty rate is still low. So to solve this problem, the government must start changing the existing the system to be better and acceptable in society. Then ensures the punishment revised by violators so as not to repeat their mistake again. But if we do all of this, will people can trust police or not? Then the answer is not necessarily. Why I said like that? Because something that has been broke is difficult to restore as well again as a trust. To repair it again requires a great sacrifice, one of which is defunding the police. It means is relocating the fund from the police department to other government like social service, young service, housing, education, healthcare, and other community resources. That way, the community can benefit from the funds and have been profit from the police. And for the police must change their attitudes and behavior in carrying out their duties by prioritizing the safety of the perpetrators of crime and themselves, and remaining fair in following up on the crimes. The last is the government, as the one parties involved must also carry out its duties, namely as a supervisor. The supervisor here is the person who regulates and supervises so that the same incident does not happen again. And lastly, we as society must also play an active role in maintaining security by not committing crimes and others. With this, it's hoped that the public can trust the police again. In this way, all parties will benefit from each other. So that's all for me. Thank you for attention and good morning.